Okay, so I picked up an AEW 2022 hobby box, and I mostly have the base set already. So I want to hopefully complete the base set out of this box, and mainly hoping for some hits out of this. So I'll be looking for a Thunder Rosa or Jade Cargill hit, maybe Darby Allin or Sting, but we'll see what we get. Got some penny sleeves ready on standby just in case there's any hits. And oh, there we go. Kind of want to display this like there we go, like how the shops have it or would have it. Packs look really cool, and these are actually, you can tell these are from the hobby box because they actually say hobby on them. Anyway, get into Dax Harwood, Jamie Hayter, Jake Hager, Gold Sammy Guevara, and Pyro Darby Allin. Debut dates Adam Cole, Penelope Ford, and MJF. So more base cards out of this one, but got the base parallel Darby, that's pretty cool. Ruby Soho base card. Dante Martin. Ricky Starks. Gold Jamie Hayter. The Varsity Bonds. Main features John Moxley. Jungle Boy. Didn't have this one yet, so that's another one for me. And Penta El Zero M. Anna J. Base Vicky Guerrero. Gold Jake Hager. And our first canvas of the box. Great looking canvas of Jade Cargill. It's a base canvas. There's two kinds. There's the silver and the gold. Gold being more rare. So we'll put this with our other hits. Actually, just in case we get some more canvas, let's be hopeful. We'll put the canvas right here. We got a main features Adam Cole. And there's also actually different levels of main features. So there are gold, silver, and the base are blue. So we'll put the main features. I'll put that here. Colt Cabana. I didn't have this one yet, so that's going to the base set. Lucha Brothers. Also didn't have this one. And Jay Lethal. Another one I was missing. Next pack. Base Eddie Kingston. Chris Statlander. Darby Allin. Gold Nyla Rose. And our first numbered card. Got a green MJF. Okay, there's also a green. I didn't know that. So this is numbered 1 to 99. This is actually a great pull. MJF is a huge star. So that's going to go with the hits. Debut dates Andrade. I believe I had this one already, so we'll put that in the base set. Frankie Kazarian and John Silver. Also needed these two, so it's going to go next pack. Another Nyla Rose. Arn Anderson. Gold Tully Blanchard. Put that with the golds. A great looking canvas of Sammy Guevara. Going for a cutter on All Ego Ethan Page. That's a great card. Nyla Rose main features. I believe I have this one already. Tay Conti. The Acclaimed. And another Kyle O'Reilly. Next pack. Base set Wardlow, Angelico, Riho, Gold Anthony Bowens. Don't think I have this one. Main features Cash Wheeler. Got a silver main features of Mark Henry. Pulling quite a few good cards out of here. Base Bryan Danielson and a base Thunder Rosa. Now, if only we can get a Thunder Rosa auto or some kind of relic or hit, that's what I'm hoping for. Base Stu Grayson. Base Varsity Blondes. Got a gold The Blade. Put that in the gold pile. And we got a numbered purple pyro Mark Henry. That's a hit out of 199. I'm not a huge Mark Henry fan, but it's definitely a hit, so counts for something. Put that in the hit pile. Main feature Sammy Guevara. Base Daniel Garcia. Base Bryce Remsburg. And a base Hook. I hope those aren't the only hits out of the box, because I'll be kind of sad. The MJF is good, so that's a great pull. Got a base Matt Hardy. Base FTR. Gold Arn Anderson. I think I already pulled one of these in here. Main features Hikaru Shida. That's a double as well. Got a silver main features Bryan Danielson. Base Max Caster. Tony Schiavone. Matt Sydal. Hikaru Shida. Powerhouse Hobbs. Andrade. Gold Keith Lee. Got a base Pyro Matt Hardy. Main features Christian Cage. Evil Uno. And Scorpio Sky. Trent Beretta. Chuck Taylor. Didn't have that one yet, so that's going there. Lance Archer. Also didn't have this one. Gold Wardlow. I believe I already had this one. Got a Pyro of Hikaru Shida. That's a nice card. Main features Jungle Boy. Also already had this one. The Butcher. Griff Garrison. Doubles again. So far, this has been a pretty good box. And we got a Hangman Adam Page. Rick Knox. Gold Angelico. Got a canvas Ricky Starks. Apparently the canvas are pretty rare, so that's kind of cool to pull these. Main features Ray Phoenix. Matt Jackson. Santana and Ortiz. And a Red Velvet. Alex Reynolds. Taz. Gold Jade Cargill. Nice. Orange Cassidy. Another canvas. Pulling quite a bit of canvases out of here. That's nice. Oh, in the corner. That's looks like it was cut wrong. That's a bummer. Outside the ring of Powerhouse Hobbs. Rio. Private Party. And Cash Wheeler. 4 packs left. Hopefully got room for some more hits. Ray Phoenix. Paul White. Sean Spears. Gold Butcher in the Blade. Main features Chris Jericho. Best Friends Outside the Ring. CM Punk. And Serena Deeb. getting a lot of repeats of the base cards. I was hoping to get more of the missing base cards that I need, but John Moxley, Sting, Dr. Britt Baker, that's a new one for me, Gold Riho, and I believe that's a double as well. Got a canvas of Jamie Hayter, and it's not messed up. That's awesome. Also a big fan of Jamie Hayter. That's a good pull. Main features Mark Henry, Kenny Omega, and Chris Jericho. We got The Bunny, Tag Teams Jurassic Express, Gold Dax Harwood. Oh, what is this? This is a weird card. Oh, this is a 1 of 1. Wow. This is a great pull of the Acclaimed. Let's check this out. This is a 1 of 1 cyan printing plate, number 84, the Acclaimed Tag Teams. Congratulations, you have received a trading card that includes an authentic printing plate that was used in the production of 2022 AEW and features the autograph of the athlete depicted on the front of this card. The autograph was signed in the presence of a representative of the Upper Deck Company and certified as to its authenticity. Okay, so certificate of authenticity here by the athlete depicted on the front. Enjoy your autograph card. Wow. That's a really awesome card. Okay, so major hit for this box. And that's probably going to be the biggest hit out of the box. So 1 pack left. I doubt there's going to be another one, but so far we've been doing good, so fingers crossed. Okay. Finishing up that pack was Ethan Page, Mark Henry, and Nick Jackson. Oh, sorry, I missed this one. Main features Tay Conti. Missed that one. I didn't even know that there was this type of 1 of 1. That's crazy. Okay, last pack. Santana, Tag Teams 2.0, Stu Grayson Gold. I believe I have that one now. Got a base Pyro Powerhouse Hobbs, Outside the Ring, Varsity Blondes. I have that one already. Sammy Guevara, Tully Blanchard, and Anthony Bowens. And that finishes up the last pack. All right, so I'm going to do a recap of what we pulled. Okay, so these were, I believe, so I was missing the Tay Conti. I believe I already have a Mark Henry. That's a new one for me. This one, the Ray Phoenix, Christian Cage. I believe I have this one already. Did not have a silver main features, so that's new. I had this one already, but I love Hikaru Shida, so I'm okay with that. Now moving on to the Pyros. Powerhouse Hobbs Pyro, base. Hikaru Shida Pyro. Matt Hardy. Got a purple numbered to 199, purple Mark Henry. Not a huge fan of his, so I'll probably sell that one. And this is an awesome card. Numbered to 199, green main features MJF. And a Pyro Darby Allin base. Moving on to our canvas cards. So we got a canvas Jamie Hayter with Ruby Soho in a headlock. That's an awesome photo. We got our Orange Cassidy with a dinged corner. Looks like he didn't cut all the way. Ricky Starks, canvas. Sammy Guevara going for the cutter canvas. And a Jade Cargill. That's awesome. Hitting her famous pump kick. And last but not least, our 1 of 1 autograph of the Acclaimed. This is pretty awesome. All right, that makes up our AEW Hobby box for 2022. That was actually a great box. I'm pretty happy with that. Got a lot of doubles again, but I think for the hits that we got, that was a pretty solid box. All right, thanks for watching.